Okay, so you started a company, right? And it's printed business, right? Printing business. Okay. So those are products or service. How the customer will pay on it.
Sorry, say that again.
So how customer will pay on it? It will be shown as service or product.
It's a service.
Okay, so service. So what is your payment gateway you want to add?
So yeah, like as far as payment options, like I mean, I could pretty much take anything like Venmo, PayPal, Zelle. I want to have like an invoice. I mean, it'll be like larger sums. So like a typical job, it's about $15 per square foot.
Okay.
So it's going to be between, like it'll be in the hundreds, maybe the thousands, you know. So I want to have an option if they want to do payment plans as well.
Okay, so the product or service will be some customizable, right? Like the people can choose square feet like 100 to 200, and uh, using that, the product price will be changed, right?
Correct. Yes, and there'll be other, charges as well, depending on what the customer needs. If they need so if they want me to print on their wall, but they don't have a design or a file, then I'll have to find a graphic designer and I'll build that to the client as well. Or say the printer can print up to 10 feet, but if they wanted to go above 10 feet, I have to like order scaffolding and hire more staff, etc. So all those costs will be passed down to the client. So if there's like a way I could build out an invoice or something like that.
Yeah, or in which there are automated system to send the invoices, no problem.
Cool.
And okay, so what about the other pages like service, about us, or contact page? So how much page you needed?
For my contact page.
Yeah, how much another page? So without the service page, what will be the other pages like service or contact page, about us, our team, or like this?
Yeah, so I mean, I would like somewhere to like where the client can go through. There'll be like a photo gallery,
Yeah,
on there. Some like live video or not live video, some recorded video.
yeah.
Uh, Also, I want there to be like any like links to social media. Have that all like linked up for Do you do like the Facebook pixels and
Mhm.
SEOs and all
Yeah,
that? Yeah, cool. Also, like I want them to, if they're interested in getting more information, I want there to be like a way for them to book an appointment with me
yeah, yeah, sure.
uh,
So
via Zoom or a phone call.
yeah, we can use Calendly, and we can create a custom schedule on Calendly, and using Calendly we can link with Zoom, and we can embed the whole Calendly option on Wix, so that people will see the booking option and they can book, and they will get email notification with the Zoom link automatically.
Cool. And I'll have access to all this on my phone, right? Like I'll be able to see when somebody books, and I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
like
sure,
block.
sure. And it
I'll
will
be
be
able to
added
like
to your Google Calendar also, so that you will get notification from Google Calendar.
awesome. And so it'll all be like so if I want to block out time if I'm not available, I can like take those times away, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can reschedule them, no problem.
Cool. Another thing was I wrote down a couple of things here. So
So you
yeah,
have the logo and contents all ready. Uh,
I'm sorry. Say that again.
so do you have the logo, contents, all of the
I
contents, everything is ready?
so I don't have the logo and I don't have any copy print like typed up yet.
Okay,
Are you
so
are you able to come up with copy?
okay, yes, we can come up with the copy also, no problem. And for business card, you also need such things, card
Yeah,
and
yeah, business card, logo design. I don't have any of that yet. If and I noticed, you didn't have it listed as on your under you, but like I could always find somebody to make me a quick logo or something like that. If you want to focus on the website.
okay, got it. So okay, we can for the website, we can start the website with copywriting and logo design, no problem. And if you share some influence website, like if you have any website you have, or you have, if you can show me some competitor website of you, so that that will
Yeah,
be okay.
yeah. So I can send you some links for other like wall printing websites. I can send you some details about like what the wall printer does and whatnot. I'll be able to send you some pictures and some video. So it's pretty much I have like a parent company, and I took on a business opportunity from them. So they have like a package of some social media content and some photos and such that they'll be providing me here within the next week or so. Another thing I wanted to have on the website, though, I wanted to, if somebody's going to call the business, there's like Wix phone number, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, is that and it's like what, like $10 a month or something, and
Yeah, yeah,
so
exactly. Right.
they could call a certain number and it would ring through my phone and they would see that it's like a customer, right?
Got it. Yeah. And do you have the
Yeah,
yeah? You have the do you purchase the domain or we have to do this?
I already have the domain
Okay, great. So from Wix or from another hosting?
from Google.
From Google. Great. So we can link the domain with Wix, no problem. And do you have the business email created?
Yes.
Okay, great. So all sounds good. So all I need actually some similar website you want, and so that I can get some idea about the design and contents. Okay, one another issue. So what about the SEO? Do you have some blogs to make them SEO friendly and rank on Google? Like printing, why our printing is great, why you should use printing, like info blog. If do you have that?
I I don't have any of that. No. But I can maybe if I mean, is that something you could write, or is that something I should
Yeah.
find some?
Okay, I can write for you. So just you can add some title. What will be the blog on? So
Yeah, and I could give you some like pieces of information that I find important. I will send you the links for like the parent site where it shows you all like the machine and explains the machine. I can send you a couple of the links that they've sent me as well that go along with the highlights of the machine and whatnot. So like what you can put on there and the capabilities and whatnot. Um, as far as on the website though, I'm not sure if I want to have the price listed on there. I want it to be sort of like boasting that it's competitive, right? That it's like
yeah,
it's it's a cheaper option than doing vinyl or larger
yeah, yeah. Got it.
format prints and stuff like that. It could be outdoor prints. It could be on an outdoor wall and it lasts like up to 5 years. Indoor up to 15 years. So like features like that. I definitely want features on the website, but I'm undecided if I want the actual price on there or maybe even just having like approximately usually $15 per square foot.
Mhm.
But obviously some additional charges may apply.
Okay, got it. And so, where you are shipping? Within your country or all over the world?
So it's not shipping. I would actually be going to the client's address.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, and so I'll be printing physically on their wall.
Okay. One another issue. Do you have the listing on Google for your company? Google
What do you
list.
mean?
If anyone search with your company name, they can show the map of your company. Google My Business or so let me show you. Like if anyone search with like my company, then they
Okay.
can see this on Google and they can get the direction on map. If you want, we can
Oh,
do
excellent.
that.
Cool. Yeah, I definitely would love that.
Okay, great. So, do you take the Wix hosting already? Wix subscription already?
No, I haven't.
So you have to purchase the Wix subscription. I think the first package is enough for you.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so
I can do that.
you have to go to Wix.com and take the subscription and invite me on Wix to work on your site. Okay, so
Cool.
and also give me some list of blog or give me some idea about the blogs what you have told and give me some images of your products so that I can mm, do the copyright and give me some list of website you want.
Send it over to you. I'll get on with it. It froze up for a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, sorry, disconnected. There was an internet issue. Okay, so can you hear me now?
Yeah, so yeah, I'll give you the list of blog ideas. I will buy the Wix subscription and invite you. Just send, like, what email do I invite you to? Will you send it to me?
Sorry?
I invite you via like email address, right?
Okay, I'm
For
sending
Wix.
the email address on Upwork. Okay.
Okay, and then so knowing like what you know so far, I mean, it's probably going to be like one a single landing page, maybe two landing pages,
Yeah.
depending how the scheduling is like built into there. How long do you think something like a turnaround
Okay,
would
I
be
think
for a
one
website
week,
like that?
1 week is good enough for us to complete the whole website with the copywriting.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, and I will. and I have like the Instagram, ready. It doesn't have anything posted yet. Like I just started this business like a
Okay,
week and a
got
half
it.
ago,
Mhm.
but I have the handle, and I'll get the Facebook all set up, and I'll send the
Just share
information
me
over
the
to
links
you.
of the social medias. Okay.
Excellent, cool. All right, I will. I'll hire you on the job, and then I'll get you on Wix.
Yeah. And also we will add the Google Analytics also for your website so that you can see whatever about the traffics and data analysis from where they are visiting, from which device they are visiting, so that you can get some idea about your traffic. Uh,
Yes. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of online marketing. So anything that you think is relative to online marketing, I would like to have it.
okay, got it. So later on we can work on it, but for now we can concentrate on the website right now. Okay. And I think
Cool.
we need to sit for some meeting because I need your Google access, but I don't take I will not take the access. You will create it. I will just guide you on Zoom so that you can share the screen and create the Google My Business and connect with the Google Analytics so that it will be easy for us.
Okay, cool. Great. Thank you.
Thank you. And
Um,
you can rely on us because we have already completed 200 plus websites and all will be responsive. All design will be responsive for mobile and tab and desktop also. And I will work on also SEO. Whatever the SEO, so do you have any keyword to rank on Google, right? Like the best printing medias or in USA or like keyword? What keyword you want? Do you have any keyword on your mind?
yeah. So wall printer is a big one, right? Or
Okay.
vertical printing, mural printing.
Okay, so I need
Uh,
the keywords because when I do the copywriting, I need the keywords.
okay, cool. So I can send those over to you as well. Do you need like a minimum amount?
Okay, can you share me on Upwork all of the list I want?
Okay. Yeah, I will. And then yeah, so I'll get this stuff to you within like the next like 24 hours or so.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, no problem.
Um, great. So yeah, I'll get the keywords over to you. There's another thing I had a question for you. Oh yeah, so I saw like I checked out some of the websites that you guys have made. They're awesome. I like how there's a lot of like moving text as you're scrolling. It has a nice
All right,
flow to it and all that. So I do like all those bells and whistles. So
thank you very much. Okay,
yeah, I appreciate that.
yeah, okay. So, okay, so give me the content. Later on, we can discuss on the budget. Okay,
Cool, sounds good. And so I'll hire. I should click hire you, right? And then do the Wix sign up for the
subscription.
sorry.
And, yeah,
And then yeah, and then add you to that.
yeah, and then invite me on weeks. I will
Okay,
write you how to invite. No problem.
okay, excellent. Thank you. I'll
Thank you.
talk to you soon.
Thank you
All right.
very much.
Bye.